Hey guys, welcome back to BMW Fanatic. Just out driving around in the 335i, trying to get some more miles on it, trying to drive it more than what I have been driving it, since with working from home, I don't get to get out every single day. So just trying to do that. Went in, added some gas in, mixed in my Techron just to get some new fuel in there in the mix. As far as the Techron goes, check out this video here at the top. It'll go into all the details around the Techron complete fuel system. Added in my car here now. I do it every probably, let's say every oil change, give or take, so every like 5,000 miles, just to keep the entire fuel system clean. Now I do run a cleaner as well for ethanol. That helps when I'm doing my ethanol mixes, just to keep all the fuel lines clean and just the tank clean in general. But just out driving around, definitely enjoying it, of course, even though it's 20 degrees outside, no snow, thankfully right now. Other than that, appreciate you guys stopping in, checking out the videos, of course. More DIYs to come, looking forward to that here very soon. Just trying to plan all that, of course. Everything has to come all into line as far as my schedule goes, with doing some major DIYs and doing those pieces and getting everything all lined up. So looking forward to that, so that way I can pass the savings on to you guys. And it's time to finish cruising on back. And guys, as always, please be sure to subscribe, like, and then comment. Check you later.